Hi, I'm Gene Crouch with Keller Williams Realty Group here at Lake Wedowee, and today we want to show you one of our beautiful homes we've just listed. It's a great place on Lake Wedowee. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, custom built home. It's just a wonderful home. You'll love it. It's got a great view. Come on and take a look. As you come into this house, you walk in right to a beautiful great room with a stone fireplace. It's wide open. You got cathedral ceilings, high ceilings, beautiful kitchen with your bar area there where you can sit, as well as a dining area. You're looking now as you walk out onto the deck, but this is just a very well built home and it's great design. As you leave the kitchen, you can go back. There's a half bath back here in the back. It's also got a washer dryer closet in this room, so it's very convenient here. If you notice, there's tongue and groove paneling throughout this home. There's hardwood floors with the exception of the bathrooms. Beautiful hardwood floors. They got tile in the bathrooms. We're coming back now, looking out to the back in the great room. You look out toward the back door. Let's go take a look at the view from the deck. You walk on out to a wonderful covered deck looking out at a beautiful view. The neat thing too about this property is that you're in the back of a cove a little bit, but you've got a nice big water view. Got your little area right over here to do your grilling, so you're covered so you won't get wet when you're grilling outside and it's raining. Come back over, you look back to the right over there, it's got a little wraparound porch where you walk in from your driveway. What a very, very nice area. You feel very secluded back here in this cove. Let's take a look upstairs. Let's walk up these stairs. Again, we got all hardwood floors down here on the main level and upstairs. Well, let's go in the master bedroom. All right, so we're going in the master bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom. Notice again this tongue and groove paneling that we have in here. The ceilings are all wood too. What a nice cabin feel you have here. But you got a lot of space. You got a nice walk-in closet over there. And let's take a look at that wonderful master bath. Custom built cabinets, granite, 2 faucets, 2 lavatories, and a huge shower. So what a really nice area, and this is on the main level. All right, leaving your master bedroom, we're going to take a hard right when we come out in the great room. We're going to go up the steps. You go upstairs here, you've got 2 more bedrooms. A nice loft area too that overlooks the great room. So you come up here, you could have a nice office up here. You got a full bath, but look at this view over here. Look at the view through the windows. Right up here, I thought this would be a great place to put you in an office. That wouldn't be a bad view working. Again, we got hardwood floors up here. You got tongue and groove paneling. Got a lot of space. And I mentioned we've got a full bath to the right up here. Nice tile flooring, granite countertops. Got tile around the tub. And you got 2 large bedrooms upstairs. Plenty of room, a lot of light in here. Hardwood floors again. It's a custom built home. You're not going to find them this quality on the lake, not at this price. I love the floor plan on this home. If you look down from upstairs, you can kind of see from the loft area, you got a big great room. You got plenty of room, but it's not overpowering. Now we're going to come back through the great room and go downstairs to the terrace level. It's right off the kitchen area here. You got a door that goes down to the lower level here on the terrace level. Look at these stairs. As you look in front of you, got a map right there. We're actually on the Little Tallapoosa portion of Lake Wedowee. Great location, convenient. You got city water. You got a nice area, nice little subdivision, decent covenants. And coming on down the steps, now we're in the lower terrace level great room. Large area, you've got 12-foot ceilings. Again, you got all this beautiful paneling in here. Cool thing too, right here, you got a nice little wet bar downstairs. It's got its own refrigerator, microwave, and a sink. So you got all the essentials down here on this lower level and plenty of room. I mean, if you look at the height of these ceilings, what a neat, neat room. Gives you another area that you can send, you know, your kids down to if you want to kind of get away from them a bit. Then down here in the hall, we've got another full bath. Again, we got tile floors, granite countertops, tile over the tub, first class, again, custom built. We've got a well laid out mechanical room in there, and then we've got another bedroom. I'm gonna call it a bunk room. All lake houses need a bunk room. So you can see a very, very large room with plenty of room. You got 2 bunk beds. I call them double bunk beds. So plenty of room, carpet on this floor. Just a great location. A lot of light coming in down here. So as we walk back, we're gonna walk out to the lower deck. Again, this is bigger than the one we got upstairs, and it's, part of it's covered, part of it's not covered. But take a look now how it lays out. So you got a little covered area right here. Then you got a wonderful deck where you can enjoy lounging out there in the sun or coming down here and dining. And look at that view. Very nice custom built home. One of the best ones on the lake. Built back in 2014. So in great shape, hardy plank. But look at the view and the quietness out here. You gotta love it. We just hope that you'll come by, call us, give us a buzz at Gene Crouch, Keller Williams Realty Group. Come by and let us show you this beautiful place. Thank you.